evening! Welcome back to the video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing my evening routine. It is 5:30 p.m. at the moment here in LA. The sun is going down. It just gets dark so fast or so early. It's depressing. I'm going to the store quickly to grab some magnesium flakes or like Epsom salt for tonight's bath. And I will take you guys with today. Thank you. Got my groceries for tonight. Very important. Chocolate, some wine, and I got some pure Epsom salt for a nice bath. I honestly had like a very weird day, kind of like not super stressful, but I just like noticed I've been just inside a lot and I was just kind of going a little, I don't know, it was like stir crazy. You guys can probably relate a lot. So actually me walking to the supermarket was really great and I decided to have a relaxing night. And I'm going to take you guys with and show you how I do it. The first step always when you come home is put comfortable clothing on. So I'm going to switch my outfit into some sweats. Then I'm going to cook some nice dinner. And this is my cozy tracksuit for tonight. It is from Zara. They have so many amazing and cute like tracksuit sets. So if you want some like nice loungewear or something, I would definitely check it out. And I'm ready to make some dinner. So while I'm cooking, I really like to go into my own zone, and this is kind of my moment of like meditation. So I'm just going to put my headphones on and make a quick, easy dinner. I'm not really feeling like cooking tonight. Here we go. I wanted to make a quick and easy dinner tonight. I meal prepped turkey meatballs earlier this week, so those can go in the oven. I cut the zucchini in small pieces and the white jams in half. I sprinkle some olive oil on top and salt and pepper. And they're ready to go in the oven with fresh herbs. Add olive oil to a pan, saute the onions until soft and brown, and add the veggies and cook them until soft and tender. This is pure improvisations tonight with the leftover ingredients from my fridge. I add some extra mozzarella to it, probably a little too much. We love, oh my god, look at this. So we got turkey meatballs with pesto. We got some potato, white jam. I actually didn't like them.
No, they're so good.
And then we got veggies with cheese or cheese with veggies. I'm not really sure. It added like a lot. Bon appetit. Oh my god, this is so much cheese. This is crazy. You can even hear it.
Hear how much cheese
This is like ASMR. Oh my god, like, look at this.
No cheese.
Oh, no cheese.
How did you make this? You pre-prepared it?
I made it like 2 weeks ago and then I had so much leftover, so I put them in the freezer, which is like so guys, we got this new game. I actually got it from the road. I have the We Are Strangers. I've actually never played this. Kind of like questions to each other and then like you can like, I don't know how it works.
Is it like a sexual question game?
No, I think it's more spiritual. No, it's not very sexual. I mean, I don't think so. I haven't seen it. What subject do you think I thrived in at school? Did I fail any? You know in which one I failed. You guys maybe.
English.
Yeah. I sucked at English. Which one did I try?
Math.
Oh, look, yeah, I was pretty good in math.
Do you think plants thrive or die in my care? Explain.
In your care?
Yeah, you have first-hand knowledge.
Oh my god, they thrive. Like Max cabbage plants like it's his baby.
But you got me a huge tree.
I do, but I only got this tree because I knew like you didn't take care of it.
No, that's not a good one. There's no central ones.
No.
Oh, here's a good one. Here's a good one. Do you want to sleep with me tonight?
That's what it actually says?
No.
No, that's what it is. Okay, it is 8:30 p.m. right now. I finished cleaning and I often immediately go upstairs and kind of like start getting unready and kind of get like fresh for the night so I can get ready for bed. I love to start to do this early. I always love to immediately take like a shower, bath. But I'm going to do a little skincare routine first. Let me put this one up. So I mentioned this product before, which I really love, and this is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I'm going to use this as my makeup remover. You don't need that much, and then with the balm I'm literally taking off my makeup. Even your mascara comes off. It feels super gentle and smooth, and I always feel with like cotton pads, sometimes it can feel like you're rubbing the skin, and this is just really smooth. There we go. So tonight I'm going to give my skin a little bit of extra love. I love using this Sonia de Caro makeup polisher. It is like a powder exfoliator slash mask. I'm gently rubbing this to my skin and just like gets rid of the dead skin cells, and it really clarifies my skin. I always feel whenever I have like little blackheads, this one really works well. So the next step in my evening routine is actually brushing my teeth. I always feel after dinner I just want to feel fresh, and just after a whole day just get a fresh breath as well. I love using this toothpaste from Spotlight Oral Care, which is actually one without any toxins. It is vegan friendly and cruelty free. I've been diving a little bit more into like clean toothpaste, which I was never really familiar with, especially because I wanted to whiten my teeth a little bit. This one is actually founded by 2 female dentists in Ireland, and I thought it was really cool what they did. So I'll brush my teeth. So after brushing my teeth, actually, this is something I really wanted to share with you guys, which I'm very excited about. I've been using the Spotlight Oral Care whitening strips. You're supposed to do this every night for 2 weeks, and I kind of want to show you guys the result because today is literally my last day. I started 2 weeks ago with a little bit of stained teeth, I think just like from drinking wine and stuff. Obviously I don't really drink coffee, but I did kind of get this like grayish glow. So I've been using these strips for 2 weeks, and this was my before. I want to show you, and we're now 2 weeks later. I took this picture this morning. This is after. So I want to show you guys kind of like how it works. It has like 2 strips right here, and you grab the tiny one and place this on your lower teeth. Then we're grabbing the long one and we're going to stick this on top. And I just let this sit for about an hour. They have an amazing discount on their website right now if you use code SANNE40 for 40% off. I will link it down in the description as well, so you can go check it out. So I'm going to put this quick mask on, the Dermalogica, which I really love, and I'm just going to take a relaxing warm bath. Self-care, baby! The good thing is you can also just like still talk with this on. Big benefit right there. So I'm going to add this pure Epsom salt. This is with like vitamin C. This is really just going to help for like muscles and like muscle recovery. Feel so fresh. and very hot. I feel so hot after bath. I didn't wash my hair because I'm trying not to wash my hair too much. I used to literally do it every day and it's so bad for your hair. So I've been taking my hair care routine kind of serious. I'm taking Nutrafol supplements and like try not to wash it as much, and it's growing like really fast right now. So I think good things are happening right here. So I took off the teeth strip and I just like brushed my teeth a little. And now I'm just going to continue the rest of my skincare routine, which is very easy. I'm going to use this night serum from Dr. Barbara Sturm to give my skin a lot of hydration. I feel it's just been very dry here. My skin has been dry. So it just needs this like extra moisture. And I'm obsessed with Dr. Barbara Sturm products. There we go. So I do feel, because I wear the mask, that I sometimes get a little bit of like irritation here. This one, the Easy Calming Face Oil, is actually really good for this. It has like avocado oil in there, strawberry seed oil, and like CBD, which really like calms down the skin. And it also makes the skin just like moisturizes it and makes it like really soft. So for my body, especially after a bath, I love using this Necessary body oil. It moisturizes, really like nourishes the skin. And this is actually also like a clean product without any perfume, which I really like. So I'm going to use that. Glasses on. I only need glasses for like far away, but because it's like evening and I'm like tired and I just want to do some stuff on my laptop, I also wear my glasses. I look very like sciencey, very smart. I like to burn another candle. I mean, I always do this. I have one in the kitchen, one in the bathroom, and then one in my bedroom. So I often don't really watch TV like on the couch in the evening, to be honest. I'm trying to like wake up very early every day now, and that's like 6 AM, but I also try to get like 10 hours of or 8 hours of sleep. 10 would be amazing, but I'm aiming for going to bed by 10. This doesn't always work, and I always like need this little moment before obviously I go to bed to kind of have like some relaxation. And the first thing actually I do is prep for the next day, just kind of like what's on my mind, kind of like make a little bit of a to-do list. And I just noticed like when I write these things down, I kind of get them out of me and I just like write them down, and then I just close my planner, and then I just kind of close out the day, if that makes sense. And then I'm often just like on my laptop for a little bit. Lately I've been like doing a lot of online shopping for like furniture and like decor. I put everything in my basket and I don't purchase it. I don't know if you guys do this either, because my credit card's downstairs and I don't want to get out of bed, or I'm just like, I don't really know what I want, or I just like watch a little bit of like a series or something. I've been really into The Sinner on Netflix, so it's been really fun. I saw a lot of cute stuff at Anthropology and Urban Outfitters, like cute little decors and stuff. This is, for example, a website I've been really loving. Look at this, so cute. I want it all. Okay guys, I'm watching like a Japanese minimalist apartment on YouTube. I'm just so inspired. Like, I honestly think I could literally never do it. Like, there's barely any stuff in there, and I'm just like, where are all the clothes, where are all the skincare products, where are all the beauty stuff? I'm so intrigued. Like, I would love to live in a space like this, but like I just couldn't. It is 10:15 right now and I'm going to bed. Max always comes a little bit later, but I'm already like really tired. We actually not always go to bed this early. We sometimes work till really late in the evening, but today I really needed some rest. So I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's nighttime routine and like getting on ready with me. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I am going to say good night.